So we have here 3 fairy. Okay, we're gonna make now a fairy one, and we have here 3 of these fairies. We're gonna take away 2 of them, and we're gonna make this one. So this is our fairy, and we should fill the fairy with the diamonds according to this catalog. No, Chichi. No, Birdie. Wait, Chichi. We have to follow, yeah? Yeah, Birdie? Good boy. No. No, no. Leave it. No, leave it. Let me just finish it, okay? And okay. No, no, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. Good boy. That's the one. I'm trying to match everything here, same colors, but with my Birdie, it's really hard mission. I'm sorry, Birdie. I don't mean you. Oh. And these diamonds are too hard to change. Oh, sorry, Birdie. Sorry, Birdie. Yeah, that's my other voice. Which is I can't change it. Let's put one in the... No, no. Birdie, leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it, Birdie. I love you. I love you, Birdie. Yeah. Actually, it's hard because there is a glue. And it's sticking to my nails, making it hard to peel off. But for Birdie, there's nothing hard for him. No, don't eat it. Yucky, 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 yucky. I'm going to record. Okay, now. And here, I'm filling all my diamonds. So, it's nice to make it colorful, as they already offered this colorful. It's yeah, as you can see here. Birdie, you can sit down. Thank you. No, 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 no. Leave it. Leave it. As we said now. He's not letting me finish it. No, no, no. No. Birdie. Birdie. We need to finish this. Oh, thank you, Birdie. I think he's trying to thank me. I don't know. No, 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 Birdie. Birdie. Yeah, you can't eat it. You can't. That's not your food. It's nice to just watch what I'm doing. Yeah, Birdie. No, no, no. No, Birdie. Birdie. No, no, Birdie. I love you. Love you, Birdie. Too many diamonds to put on, but I have mission with my Birdie, and he's trying to get my fingers off so he can grab some of my my diamonds. Even I don't know what to say. He's confusing me. My pen. Leave it. Good boy. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. leave it. Good boy. Okay, no. Leave it, leave it. It's okay, it's okay. Leave it. Well done. I'm trying my best with my birdie, as you can see here. It's really mission to have birdie and doing your stuff. No, birdie, birdie. He took it. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Second step will be sticking the stick behind the fairy tale. The fairy. Why I'm keep saying fairy tale, which is not fairy tale. The process will be, I have here some stickers, white stickers, which is gonna be like that, and then we will put the ribbons, but without sound. I will make it here like music. Maybe I should make all of it music because he ruined everything.
Yeah, true.
Which is I can't. No, Chichi. Birdie. You don't know. You don't need to do that. We are almost finished. See? Thank you, Birdie, for help. Thank you, Birdie, for your help. Come. This is how to make it. And thanks for watching.